I meet many people, and most of them I see are struggling with one thing, which is money. Now, if you are also someone who wants to make more money or maybe wants to attract more money in your life, then watch this video and I am sure you are going to get some value out of it that can help you in your life as you move forward. Now, even before I start, let me give you a disclaimer. I am not going to share with you any get rich quick kind of a scheme. It's something deeper that I am going to share with you. Hi friends, my name is Lalit Kumar Hundlani. I am a life and career coach, corporate trainer and international best-selling author. And in this particular video, we are going to talk about something which all of us want in our lives, which is money. Now, there are many theories surrounding how you can get more money or how you can make more money. I am going to share with you something which connects with me at a core level. You may agree or you may not agree with it. So, let's move on. See, essentially most of us end our lives chasing money and we don't get it. Now, if I ask you to stop chasing money, would you believe me? Would you trust in me? Chances are not. But even before making a decision, let me complete my sentence. What I would like you to do that instead of chasing the money, why not become someone who can attract the money? Why not become a magnet sort of a person who can attract all the riches and wealth in your life? Now the question rises, it's easier said than done. How to really go about it? How can one attract riches and wealth in their life? It all boils down to understanding the basic formula that works when it comes to money, which is money is a function of value. Now, if you want to attract money in your life, what you need to look at is what is it that you are doing? What is it that you can do to add value to the lives of others? If your focus is going to be on only or your income, the focus is only on going to be on your money, the chances are you are not going to get it. I have seen many people who tried to take shortcuts, who tried to do certain things which were not really right. They got temporary success but then failed miserably. So for long-term sustainable life where you continuously attract money, it's very critical and important for you to understand the basic thumb rule that M is equal to FV, which means M is equal to money, F is equal to a function and V is equal to value. So money essentially is a function of value that you deliver. To get more money, the only thing that you need to do is add more value. Now, how can you add more value? Now, in order to understand that, you need to know yourself first. What is it that you are good at? What are the things that you can do better than others or maybe at par with others? Something that can help you in getting money or getting paid for your work, while at the same time you should also be liking it and enjoying it. Because if you don't like your work, after some time you might feel tired and you may not like to continue with what you are doing. Now let me share an example. Say you are someone who likes to spend a lot of time on social media. So the chances are currently you might be consuming a lot of content on social media, maybe watching the videos or maybe going through the post depending upon your liking. Now if social media is of your interest and if you can help someone in managing their social media in a better way than the person who is having some other work and the person can handle himself or herself better, that's the way you can add value. Let me give another example. Say you are a strong and a powerful person, you have got a good build, so you can do something which is aligned to your natural strength that can help you in moving faster forward as compared to others. I am sure you would have heard about Michael Phelps, the Olympic winner of maximum medals. So he was very good in swimming. So while he was a good worker, he was a good sports person, he really used to work hard, but at the same time what you might not be knowing that his natural strengths were also aligned towards that sport. So the torso of Michael Phelps was bigger than his legs. Now this kind of a body structure helped him while swimming. So he was able to wade more water faster than other sports person. It is said that he also went to play basketball during early part of his life, and he was not really successful in that sport. The reason, because his natural body structure was not aligned to that kind of sports. So that is what I mean when I say you need to understand, you need to discover what is it that you are really good at. And once you are able to do that, you start working in that direction, the chances are you will be able to excel in that work, you would be able to deliver better value, you will be able to solve better problems, and once you are able to do that, you will be able to attract more money in your life. Now it's not necessary you only need to do these kind of things, these are just the examples. Consider you are into some job, even in your job, in your organization, I see many people who are working into sales, but when I talk to them, I get to understand that they don't have a sales aptitude, they feel shy talking to people, they don't really want to interact, they don't have this service kind of a mindset. Now if you don't have a service mindset, you feel shy pitching your product to others, or you feel shy pitching your services to others, you don't feel comfortable in the company of other people, how you are going to sell your product? It's simply not possible. So you need to analyze, if you are say good in numbers, you would like to be in analytical job, go ahead and do that kind of work. You will be able to move much more faster than spending and wasting your time in something which you are not really good at. That is what I mean, that knowing what is it that you need to do, then going about doing it, and doing it with full passion, enthusiasm, vigor, zeal, so that you start moving forward much faster than others. And more the value you can add to other people's life, greater are going to be the returns in your life. Go ahead, try it, and I am sure you will be able to see the results in your life. I hope you like this particular video. Anything you would like to add on, feel free to add in comments. I would be reading them personally and will try to respond as far as possible. Thank you very much for your time. I will be back soon with some other video. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.